Con los terroristas.
Did I miss it? Did I miss the bass drop?
Yeah, you missed it by like 20
I'm
seconds.
sorry. It's just really hard to fit a lot of content into a 30-second video, man.
Yeah, just go home. You mean nothing to me.
Well, do you have any clothes?
No, Arthur. I obviously don't have any clothes at all.
Well, I guess I'll just walk home in my underwear.
Do the Harlem Shake. Do the Harlem Shake.
Robbie, you missed it.
Oh my gosh, Robbie. Why did you even... You ruined everything! Just go. Just go. Go. I don't want to hear any lip.